how to turn this into this. Welcome to the new clip. Today, we will show you how to reduce the time-consuming rendering process to just a few clicks using the Archi Vinci website. The site is free for 3 attempts, and then it becomes paid. If you don't have enough time, I think these 3 attempts can still be quite helpful. To start, you need to upload an image of your 3D model. Then choose whether you are working on an interior or exterior. Of course, it's recommended to specify what you want your render to include, such as greenery, for example. You can also select the style in which you would like your object to appear. Once you fill out the provided fields, simply click on Generate, and that's it. Thank you for your attention.